If you're looking to dive into cryptocurrency, Venmo makes it straightforward to buy, hold, and sell digital currencies directly within the app. Here's how to get started. First, open your Venmo app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap the crypto tab located at the bottom of your screen. The section is dedicated to all things crypto. Before you can make any transactions, Venmo requires you to verify your identity. This includes providing your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, that is known as ITIN. This step ensures compliance with financial regulations and helps protect your account. After verification, you'll have access to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. To purchase crypto, simply tap on the cryptocurrency you wish to buy, enter the amount in dollars, and choose your payment method, either your Venmo balance, a linked bank account, or debit card. Please note that credit cards cannot be used for crypto purchases on Venmo. Venmo also offers a feature called Cash Back to Crypto for Venmo credit card holders. This allows you to automatically convert your cashback rewards into cryptocurrency. To activate this, go to the rewards section in the Venmo credit card settings and toggle on the option for purchase crypto. You can also select which cryptocurrency you would like to purchase with your rewards. Keep in mind that there are limits to crypto transactions on Venmo. You're allowed up to $20,000 in cryptocurrency purchases per week and up to $50,000 in a 12-month period. Additionally, you can transfer up to 25 grand's worth of crypto per week as well.